Hello everyone, I am Kamran Hussain. I have been working in a business world since 2001. I have 15 years of experience developing software and working as a database administrator in financial business. I have extensive experience performing upgrades and migration, including Team24 system, Oracle database, Oracle ERP, SQL Server always on clustering, and other projects. In this video, we will examine how artificial intelligence may greatly reduce human efforts by automating the jobs. Imagine a future where intelligent technology handles routine and repetitive job with ease, allowing humans to concentrate on more creative and strategic work. And we will explore how artificial intelligence technology can improve productivity, creativity, and efficiency in variety of industries. So let's explore how AI may transform our workflows and its amazing possibilities. So now let's discuss what is artificial intelligence, in which computer science focus on creating those systems and software that can perform those tasks that typically require the human intelligence. These tasks include understanding the natural languages, recognizing the images and picture, solving the complex problems, and making a complex decisions and learning from the experience. So trying to create a system like a human that will be learn from his failure, success, and make decision on the data and resolve the complex problems. And we have two type of AI. First one is narrow AI, which is also known as a weak AI, which designed to create a specific task performer like Google Assistant. Netflix and Amazon use the algorithm of weak AI to suggest the movies and show or the product based on the user preference and behavior. And second one is journal AI, and it also known as a strong AI that possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. So this type of computer system does think like a human and learn like a human and take the decisions like a human. Now this one is a machine learning. Make a algorithm and model that allow the computer to learn from the data, make predictions or judgment to execute a specific task without providing a single instruction. Means machine learn from the experience and make a complex decision and resolve the complex problems. We have three type of machine learning. First one is supervised machine learning. AI system is trained on the labeled dataset. For the instance, if you are teaching the AI to recognize the cat or dog, You provide many images of each level as either cat or dog. Just like a teacher teach the students, so we teach the machine and get the desired result from this. Second one is unsupervised learning. So in this algorithm, we train with the unlabeled data. So machine need to identify the object by the use of this characteristic and discovering the pattern and without explicit assistant. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decision by a performing action in an environment and receiving reward or penalties. The goal is to maximize the cumulative reward over the time through a trial and error. And the agent updates its strategy based on the feedbacks, balancing, exploration, trying new actions. Okay, this approach is used in applications like playing games, robotics, autonomous driving. It allows systems to adopt and improve their performance autonomously. These are some automation we have already performed in our environment, but these are non-AI based. We create a bash script at OS level which collect the machine CPU information, disk IO and memory usage and send these reports and file to the admin users. We, we also generate a database level scripts and send the result to the administrator. Okay, like we check the dr site status, table spaces status, check the mirror status and error log and other operation task status by the email to the admin user or the end users as well. We also automate our business report as well by the PLSQL procedures, select the data from the database and save this data in an Excel format or in a CSV format and send this file to the users. And last one, we also generate some monitoring alerts to our admin users, our 2020, our 24 to 7 users. So these types of automation we have already performed in many environments without using of AI. So now let's discuss how we can perform these operations in very efficient way by the use of AI. These are the tools and languages we can use for artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are some programming languages like Python, R, and Java. And these are machine learning frameworks. And we have also development environment tools for. So AI increasingly being used in application to automate the various tasks and improve efficiency. AI automation in the many application help to improve operational efficiency, enhance customer experience, and reduce cost and mitigate risk. We can create the customer service chatbot by the use of AI. By the use of this chatbot, customer can get assistance from the AI system. There is no need of human, and AI can resolve the issue of customer by provided data and algorithms. We can automate our document processing system that will extract the data, generate the reports, and make some decisions and provide the recommendations. The last one is enhancing the system monitoring by the use of AI. We can find out the root cause of the issues. We can automate our various operation tasks. We can take the recommendation on the errors. AI will collect the CPU, memory usage, takes IO from the system and analyze and send some recommendations from their experience. So this was the some introduction about the AI and machine learning and how we can use the AI and machine learning in our environment to automate our various operation tasks, improve our decision systems, resolve the complex problems, and enhance the efficiency of our system. Thanks for watching.